Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Goan Fried Mackerel. Tasty, slightly spicy and packed with authentic coastal flavors. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Fried Mackerel. Fresh mackerels, also called bangras, marinated in a traditional Goan spice blend and shallow fried until perfectly golden brown, make this a seafood favorite that's simple, delicious and perfect with fish curry and rice. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan fried fish. Step 1. Marinating the fish. We have taken 2 mackerels, also called bangras. Wash and clean the fish. To learn how to clean mackerels or bangras, refer to step 1 of our crispy Goan Bhangra rava fry recipe, the link for which is displayed on the top right hand corner of your screen now and also given in the description box. Clean the fish and give cuts on both the sides of the fish the way I have done. This is done so that the masala can penetrate into the cuts. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of kokum juice. Instead of kokum juice, you can also use lime juice or tamarind juice. Mix everything nicely. Do not add any water as the masala shouldn't be watery. Fish marinade is ready. Now start applying the marinade to the fish. Take sufficient quantity of the masala in your hand and apply it all over the fish. Put it into the cuts and also inside the fish as well. Apply it on both sides properly and evenly. Do this also for the other fish.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Keep the marinated fish aside for at least 15 minutes. Marinated fish is ready. Step 2. Frying the fish. On medium heat in a wide open thick bottom pan, add cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated fish and let it fry undisturbed. Keep a check to ensure that they are not over fried or burnt. After around 3 to 4 minutes, turn them over and then cook the other side for 3 minutes. Mackerels should be well cooked on the outside and soft and tender on the inside. Also turn the fish on the side like I have done so it can cook properly. After around 3 minutes or once the fish is completely cooked, remove it from the pan. Delicious fried mackerels are ready. Enjoy it hot with a dash of lime and salad, or you can serve it hot with fish curry and rice. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.